The solar panel installation process. The national average for a solar panel installation is approximately 6 to 9 months. Here at Solar Titan USA, we've been able to complete an installation in half that time. So, to help you better understand, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide of the process, start to finish. Step 1. You've made the decision to start producing your own electricity by contacting us. During our call with you, we will discuss your situation, answer questions, and determine if solar panels can be beneficial to you. Step 2. You will be receiving a call from us to introduce you to our team of professionals who will be working with you throughout the installation process. Step 3. Our team will begin processing your account. This process involves HOA, building permits, funding, ordering, utility paperwork, and more. Step 4. Once the administrative processes are approved and began, you will receive a call from our scheduling department to schedule your solar panel installation. Step 5. The installation day has arrived. Our super crew of professional solar panel installers will arrive at your home to start work on installing your solar panels. Step 6. Your solar panel system is now fully installed. You will be receiving an email from SolarEdge, your online monitoring portal, with all the information you will need to monitor your new solar panel system. Step 7. The state permitting process begins. A state inspector will visit your home to inspect your installation. They may or may not coordinate with you during this process. The length of time is completely up to the state and, at this point, completely out of our hands. We will notify you once they have completed this process. Step 8. The utility company interconnection process begins. Your utility company will complete any changes to your meter that it needs. Every utility company has a different process and uses various types of meters. This process is up to your local utility company. Unfortunately, we have no control over how long it takes to complete this process. Step 9. Once we've received your pass inspection from the state, if you do not have a battery, we will commission your system. If you already have a battery, we will send out a technician to connect your battery and commission your system. Step 10. Congratulations! Your new custom-designed solar panel system is fully installed and active.